Oh, that's cool. Yo, what up, Weld? I think it's working. Right? Yeah. Pause my own video, don't need that. Actually, we can take a look at the quality. It should be 1080, dude. Why is it on like limiting to 360? Let me go to my own channel here. Okay, yeah, there we go. Yeah. Good quality? Yes, it is. Okay. Konnichiwa no Sakai. Let's do this. Now then. I'm going to be getting back to the plugin that I was making for Rocker. There it is. And like we're gonna pretty much swagify the way these look. So how we're gonna do that is well, I have no earthly idea, but I do have somewhat of an idea. Okay, so instead of like just straight up drawing the text in here and all that, each mix list will contain its own state. So hey Tim, what up? How's it going? How goes the going? Add lm const data equals frame timer 0 to scale 1 C scale, which is the current scale, 2. Girls don't use my real name. Alright, I won't. Tim. Now, how you doing though, dude? How you doing? I hope you're doing good. I'm finally getting onto this thing. Yeah. Now you can watch how I do it, and it's kind of fun, I guess. Better than like doing it without any interaction at all. Like I much prefer. Dude, it is cold. It's like it's almost 0 degrees outside right now with like the wind chill is like -15, -20, somewhere around there. All I know is it is very cold. I think that'll work like that. That shouldn't cause it to break or anything. Hey, what up? So Char, the current plugin that I'm working on, it's basically this thing for Rocker, or Tim. Your YouTube shows your name, by the way. Yeah, it's like a ingredient mixing thing. You can mix ingredients to come out with new ones. But since I'm in a good mood, I want to really stylize this thing. And we're gonna do that. Let's see. Fresh. Update. Super.update. This.refresh. Now, instead of like clearing the entire contents constantly, since we're going to be having an update function, wait a minute. That's one. Okay. If this.animating, this.contents.clear, all that stuff. Greater than 0. We'll just use that. I hope the world is doing good, though. Let's see, this is a draw icon. I'm gonna try and make it a habit to stream every day, even if it's like completely pointless. I'm just gonna be streaming because I need to get back into the regime, dude. The regime. Alright. So. How do I want to animate these, though? Okay. I think I know what we're going to do. I need to make an adjustment to the... Is it working on tile sets lately? Have you? That's good. Yeah, no, I've seen the one that you were working on. I think it's pretty cool. Where'd my brain go? Okay. Draw icon. Which, here we go. Right, so this is the command that I need to override. And by override, I mean window base equals class extends window base. Draw icon 2. Wait, draw icon sub. We'll just say draw icon A for alpha. Yeah. So we're gonna take the moon and take the sun. Take everything that seems like fun. Let me put this here. And there we go. That. Icon set. Bitmap dot text dot global alpha equals alpha. I think. Now where is it? Draw icon A, and then we'll say a dot ft. No. Okay, yeah. So we'll say it should be 1. No. A dot c scale divided by 100. Or is it ft? Yeah. No. Okay. So it should be a dot ft. Okay, it's 100. Yeah, here we go. 100 minus a dot ft divided by 60 times 60. Matter of fact, we'll just do this. And then the ending result of that will be divided by 60. Hey, Paintbrush, welcome to the stream. Hope you enjoy your stay. Why are you coding? Can you stop coding and leave plugins alone? Why would I do that? Why? Like, why would I want to do that? If you're afraid of learning programming, I can definitely help with that. Okay, jargon A is not a function. How about no? I'll pass. I think he's trolling. You know what, let's just do this. 60 minus ft a dot ft divided by 60. Oh, you know what? I did that wrong. I gotta go back up here to the thing. You know, I bet we have to freaking do it the jank old style way, but oh well. This dot contents dot context dot global alpha equals alpha. Okay, you know what? Something jank be going downtown. No, that's working. Alright, how can we take... Oh, because it, yeah, 0 to 0. Oh! So, the lower it is, the more transparent it is. Yep. That's why. Alright. That makes life a lot easier. That means we can just do this. Now we just need to add the a.ft by 1. Son of a hooker, I forgot to do the thing again. Hey, Norkel, how's it going? Welcome to the stream. Hope you enjoy your stay, as well as Valner. Welcome, buddy. Is that a police car in your thing? I can't. Hold on. Copy image address. Oh, that's dope. Oh, dude, is that the cop that dances? Oh, man. You know, I watch First Amendment audits a lot, and this one dude, CT something, I think. Oh, GTA 4? LCPD FR mod? I have not actually played GTA 4. I need to, though. It's a classics, from what I understand. So, yeah, we're going to reset the alpha by setting it to Juan. Only Juan. Calling Dr. Juan. Is Dr. Juan in the house? Dr. Juan. Right. Yeah, so now we should do a.ft times equals, wait, plus plus. Too lazy to change avatars? Hey, I feel that. Alright, so there we go. Now they're fading in, but we also want to do this. So we want to do plus equals a.ft divided by 60. So now it should like have a fade in, like slow, start slow and then never ever fade in after that. Plus equals oh, that's fine, yeah. 60 minus a.ft divided by, let's say 8. So it like fades in pretty quickly. Unless I'm backwards with it. Nope. It do be from what I hear. But you know what else is fun? Hookers. Not really. Alright, so now I want to do some scaling as well. So, scale X, scale Y. BLT. I don't want a bacon, lettuce, tomato. What's your level of coding experience when you got into RPG Maker? When I got into RPG Maker plugins, like I barely coded before. I used to program in a game engine called Game Editor, and it used like a modified version of C. And I was also doing like HTML, basic stuff. And of course a little bit of Ruby with RPG Maker XP. And yeah, so when MV came out, that's when I really started going ham with the programming. And I've been programming almost every day since, like my own projects, of course, because you get bored. One does get bored of doing RPG Maker. You get like so burned out of it. So instead, I would code like my own, little personal things. I made my own language. So if I make a new file here, yo.hwc, I have my own like little language thing in class. Apparently, I have the highlighter off right now though, but yeah, var, yeah, oh no I don't, yeah, int8 hooker equals 35. Yeah, anyways, it's pretty cool. JavaScript is indeed fun. It's the main language that I ever go to. Viz can, yeah, a friend of mine, Viz, I guess could tell you like a little bit more about the HWC thing. It has been both a headache and also not a headache. But yes. What? BLT-A. Oh, no, okay, so the BLT command does have scaling by default. So I want to do. You got into MZ a few weeks ago and decided to pick up on JavaScript and learn how to make my own plugins. It's been a fun journey. Most JavaScript tutorials focus on web dev though. I know, and dude, that's one of the things that you're gonna run into. Norkel. Wait, is that Norkel with a snorkel? Stop. No, but for real, like, there's things that you're gonna run into like that, or like you'll be Googling something, and then the only responses that you'll see when the people that are asked these questions ask them on like certain forums, a lot of times you'll see like somebody saying, "Why do you want to do this? Why would you want to do this? This is dumb. This is not." Man, screw people like that. They don't actually know the dang answer, and they're just trying to be annoying. And I hate that answer so much. I hate the "why do you want to?" Because it's my goal. Who cares? I'm not gonna like write a giant monologue for you to go over just to tell me you don't know. You know what I'm saying? Like, the programming world is full of amazing people, though. Like, really nice people. Very helpful people. But you will run into stuff like that, like where somebody would be like questioning why you want to do something, and it's like, bruh, do you know the answer or not? Please. Look, if you do, cool. If you don't, cool. If you do but you don't want to answer me, fine. I get that. But just don't ask why, and don't judge. So you'll not get any of that from me. But if you have any questions at the moment on programming in JavaScript, let me know. I will be more than happy to help. Matter of fact, my Discord, I wish I'd copied it. Hold on, just so I don't expose chats. Let me give you my Discord. Hold on. I'm stupid. I muted my dang mic instead. Oh well, chat's exposed. Rip. Valner, okay, I love that though. That is amazing. To be or not to be. I love that so much. But yeah. So there you go. There's my Discord if you want to ask me any programming questions, Norkel. Dag nabbit, I am so stupid for that though. I realized that like when I went back to like restore the screen, I was like, oh, wait a minute. Oh, this is muted. This son of a dank meme. But yeah. Here we go. We'll say 2 minus a.ft divided by 60. We're just gonna let MDIB. I'm just gonna name it some arbitrary name. DIB. 2 minus MDIB. Matter of fact, don't need to get that picky about it. Why do you not do this? Wait, never mind, that doesn't make any sense at all. Scale X, scale Y. Scale X, scale Y. Does BLT does have that, right? Cat equals lap, type equals no, that's working. It's working and it's working. On-screen keyboard. Ew, on screen. Okay, come on, man. The BLT command. Yeah, source. So, why is they're not doing that? X, Y, scale X, scale Y, alpha. No, but I can. Okay, why? Oh! No. Yeah, no, that's correct. Swag with height. It's nice to see how helpful the original community is. Quite different from other things I've delved into. Yeah, you gotta be like kind of careful with communities like in the programming world. 99% of the time though, they will be, you know, no matter what language you're getting into, wherever you find your help at, like the community will most likely be friendly. But there are douches out there that are more than happy to like question your sanity. Why did I just don't know. Okay, now that was working before, right? If I get rid of the 1-1, why does this work? What? Huh? Oh! No, I am the one who's really super dumb. This needs to be times PW and times PH. What's your pH level of your code? Yes. Magic. Thinking of doing that for your inventory plugin? That's dope. Oh, I love it. But also not really. Why is that like that? Var SW equals that. Var SH equals that. So we should say plus SW divided by 2, and then plus SW divided by 2. Oh, you talking about the inventory thing? Honestly, I can show you how that works, but probably like after I work on this a little bit though. Now this is gonna be weird. I think I just goofed this like a mother. Yeah. That's the source X though. Why am I doing that? Plus 16 minus SW divided by 2. That's what it was. Which I happen to. My deciding factor is whether or not people late. You know, I feel that, dude. Why is that like that, man? DW divided by 2 minus. Okay, I like that. It's starting to... But look, the height one doesn't do anything. Why? SH divided by 2. Is the scale Y thing messed up? Oh, yeah. Okay. There we go. I like that a lot. What if I do this, like make it a little unique? Yeah. Need to shorten the animation timing for that. Okay, what's up? Now they squeegee. They squeegee. We can get rid of the 2 in C scale. Okay, so now I wanna cos equals cosine times x plus 12. Okay, so that needs to be 120 for that, or 30, I think. Yeah, it needs to be 30. There we go. I love that. if we do this, then it'll like make a bounce. Oh, that is so dang cool. 24 plus. I can math. Okay. Oh yeah, dude, look at that. I love that little animation that it does, dude. Let me get a little bit faster. Amen. Let's try by like, let's say like 16 or something to make it really bobble. But now it's off center, so it does have to be a derivative. It has to be either 30 or 60, I think. It has to be like a division of that. Times 2. Times 44 plus 88. Okay. 14. Pause break. Be right back. Alrighty, so in about 30 more minutes, I will be heading out, but, yeah, so shoot. Yeah, we'll just stick with that. So I think what I'm gonna do then is go straight to tutorializing. Let's say I made a function for excess items, 3 functions. One for items, one for armors, one for weapons, as in instead of one stack of 99 potions, when 198 are available, it makes 2 stacks. Okay, so that will take a minute. So what we want to do to get started with that, we'll just say iCounter and then MZ or MV. Well, we'll just use MV since we're already on the MV thing here. Oh, I get you. Okay, so you already got all that stuff. All right, that actually makes things a lot easier. So, in order to do what you're doing, what you're asking for, this still refers to the new function. So instead of using, let's see if I can explain this real quick. So, oops. So what you're asking is, if you are in a current function and you want to do this, you would say you would expect this to be 30, right? So what you want to do, Valner, there are 2 ways to do it. You can make the secondary function, for example, the game party.access items thing. Bar.bind. Yeah, okay. I see what you're saying. So one way you can do that is, let's try this. myfunc2.call this arguments. You should be able to do a this.call, and if that doesn't work, then you can do a this.apply js/plugins, and then I'm just going to do node./iCounter, and then we're going to say myfunc. There we go. So as you can see, Valner, are you still here, by the way? I just want to make sure. I didn't mute my thing again, right? Okay, good. I'll wait to see if you're still here before continuing. You said you're going to message me on Discord as well, so let me check that real quick. Not making that same mistake twice. Yeah. I see no message. Oh well. If you catch the VOD, Valner, this is how. So, oh, there you go. No, heater people came. Oh, I got you. Dude, that really, oh man, it is the worst time to have your furnace not working. Golly. But yeah, this is how you do the thing that you were referring to. If you have another function here, in this case, the gameParty.accessItems, what you would do this. GameParty.accessItems.call this and whatever arguments you want to pass through it. That, when you run this, you'll see that this.py in the function 2 will refer to the pi value in the function 1. And that's pretty much it. Does anyone else have any questions? Or maybe even some questions? I had a question. Might not be coding related. I was curious how to link gold and items. Basically, I want to make water my currency, have it show up in the character's inventory. Inventory. I want it to call game party access and while this refers. Yeah. Yep. And that's how you would do that. So, in the my function thing, we set a value called this.py, and then we use the function that we want to call. In your case, you want to call gameParty.accessItems, but you use the .call function, and then you pass the first argument will always have to be this, but you don't need to define that in the function here. As you can see, this.py, which is not set at all in function 2, it's still 30 because like we set it here. So we can do this, for example, this.py++, and then console.log this.py. Now it'll be 31, as you can see there. So all of the internal values of the function that you're calling have temporarily been set to the internal values of the object or function that you're calling it from. So that way, when they buy items, it removes water, and when they drink water, it also removes them from the total. I got you. So to do that, it's should be pretty simple, but I have learned that RPG Maker do be funky sometimes. Lose gold. There it is. So you want to adjust the lose gold and gain gold values here. If you make a change to this, so and lose gold. In particular, the thing here, so right now we do gain gold negative amount, but what you would do is you would iterate, you would do game party, okay, if game party dot has item, I think that's the command, you would say the item ID. So if your bottle of water is, let's just like make a water real quick. We'll use magic water. So the ID is 2. So if you have one of those, then you do game party dot lose item, I think it is. Yeah, lose item or consume item. Yeah, there we go. And then you do the item, -1, sorry. No, wait, what? Yeah. So the item, -1, for how many you want to lose or spend. In this case, we would change -1 to amount, or we would change 1 to amount, and include equip. We'll just leave that alone. We don't need to define anything like that. So what you would do is you would say, can you just rename your currency water? Yeah, but then you would have to restore your, restore your currency. Afterwards, you would have to store it in a value. Easiest way to do it is through here, right here. And you would have like a switch. So you would say, you can actually use game switches. So let's say you named game switch 1 the water switch. So you would do, you would do switch. Nah, we can just do if. So if game switches, let me see. _data. Oh yeah, here we go. .value. Yeah. Where am I? Yeah. So if game switches .value and then the switch, in this case 1, then it's gonna use water. Matter of fact, we don't even need to have an if statement there. Else, and you do gain gold, and that's it. So from here on, if I enable this script here, let me show you. I have 99 waters. You're still gonna have to get it to display properly though. So you're gonna have to edit the draw gold, like the window gold thing and all that stuff. But yeah, so let me open up a shop here. I'm trying to think first. That should work, right? It should. Yeah, no, that'll work, I think. Well, we'll find out. Spell herb. Imagine a shop where like you can buy your own currency, dude. I do need to subtract the cost of these things though. That's fun. Now another thing you can do is the metadata, which I can cover that in another one, another vid. So we're just gonna say 5, 20, 29, fine. 3 billion. All right. Same as characters. Right, so I'm gonna include that little tiny plugin thing that we did. And let me open up my Node WebKit thing. Wait, son of a hooker. Line and sinker. I need to get rid of this call real quick. Alright, so you'll see that we are broke because there is no check for the shop. So you're going to have to update that a lot. But this is how you lose the water instead of the gold. So let me make a little adjustment here so I can give us money. And you'll see that we will not lose money, but instead, I already have a thing that gives me all the items. Hold on. Gain gold. So, as you can see, right now we have 99 magic waters, but, oh, well that's interesting. Oh, because I can't, yeah. Alright, so we're just a bunch of dispel herbs. So, you take a look at our money, right? Now, it's using the money, so if we toggle the game switch by pressing F9, I think it was? Oh, that's for test mode only. That's fine. So what I'll do then, game switches dot set value 1 true. So yeah, now the first game switch should be on. They got me already. Let me sell these again. So our money now should, we should have like 29 less. Yeah, so there we go. And if you look at the items selling, our magic water is still 99 for some reason, but one of them, now hold on. Well, it is not losing the item. But where did I lose item? Am I calling the lose item wrong? Hold on. New item. Oh. Oh. Yep. Okay, so I think I was using it wrong. So this needs to be data items to, you know what, we'll run it from the engine itself this time so we can access the debug menu. Outdated version of Node, but that's alright. I could like manually update it, but alright, so we have a Googleplex of wattas, and we spend money, but if we turn the first switch on, so 3, we should have barely any waters left. Yep, there we go. And that's how you do it. But remember though, you're gonna have to like update your shop big time. So really, if you like, let me show you how to update the shop a little bit. So if we go to RPG Windows, Window Gold, so the refresh thing, right? We're just gonna copy this. I'm gonna keep that up there just in case I need it later. I'm gonna go to refresh. Draw currency value. Okay, so that's what we need to look for then. Instead, I got ahead of myself because I'm trying to rush. But yeah, we need to look for this function here, the draw currency value. And draw text unit. Alright, so then we're gonna say, just like I did here, if that, then unit equals water, you know, whatever you want to do. You can actually do this, so data items to dot name and value you can now set to game party dot has item data items to, and I think that'll work. Right now we have 0 G's. 0 gangsters. But if that's on, it should say, yeah, true magic water. Dagnabbit. How much money do we have? Yes. Items. Okay, yeah. That's what it is. So, game party. You can get rid of that there. So the value would be game party.items 2. And now you fully have a thing. So we have 0 G's. But we do have 99 magic waters. Yeah. Now when you go to the shop, you can see our magic waters in action. Yeah, and you want to do the same thing with the sell thing as well, so you can get water back. But yeah. So watch. Boom. Now we have negative magic water. But yeah, so that's how you can get started with that. But I want to thank you everyone for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. Hey, you're welcome. No problem. See you, dude.